How to create this cool looking NFT website landing page. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, let's start by launching the Figma and create a canvas of 1440 by 971 pixel and change its color to dark blue. You can copy my code and paste it to yours. So once you have done this, let's put some grids on it and change its color to light gray so we can work easily. So once you have done this, you have to put your logo first of all. So now the next step is we have to put these sections here, like about section, pricing and contact. By the way, the font name is Poppins, so you can download it by the link given in the description below. So the next step is we have to create this search bar. You can create it by simply selecting the rectangle on the top left corner and let's put some gradient on it. You can also copy these gradients by simply copy the color code of it and adjust its position. So now the next step is we have to resize it and put some text on it by simply copy and pasting it. And change the color of the text here and the mode of it to bold. So now the headings are looking good. So the next step is we have to add this PNG of the graphics. I will add it in description below. You can download it from there and use it on yours. So now after you have done this, you have to simply put the text here and the font name is outfit. You can also download it from the description below. I will add it there. And change the fill to white. Change its color also to light gray and the font is Poppins. And you can maximum use two fonts in your design so it will look clean. And you can simply copy this by holding Alt and your left key of your mouse and drag it. You can also use the font that is similar to this one. Again, you can copy the color code by simply typing it on your computer. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to see more videos like this.